2 days. We have added basically double the staff in the underwriting department. We're going to continue adding a few more individuals to the underwriting department staff. We have been aggressively promoting our internal operations guys within, and we're on the right path to keep turn times extremely low, and also looking forward to let underwriters work 5 to 6 days instead of the mandatory 7 days that they have been on. So next time you speak to the underwriting department, please be sure to thank them for their hard work. We're obviously customer service piece is extremely important, and they've been under a lot of stress. So they have done a great job. Obviously, there is room for improvement, but please make sure that you let them know how much you appreciate, if you do, their hard work. Also, we have just recently been fortunate to bring Marianne Meyer on board to Gold Star. She's a non-producing government lending manager. Marianne brings over 30 years of experience. She's in the department at Countrywide and then later at Prospect Mortgage. Currently, she's working on enhancing our government products and offerings, such as 203K loans and many other exciting government loans that will be coming from the pipeline. Currently, and updates to make sure that we stay up to date. Soon we will be reintroducing our internal VA loans, the VA underwriting, which would also include the high balance as well. And the 203K FHA and many other cool products would be coming to Gold Star in the near future. AJ has a couple of things to add. AJ?
Just talking and adding to Dan's discussion points there. A couple of things. We are, like he said, aggressively adding to the operations department in both our Ann Arbor operations centers and California operations centers. Dan covered, but also with closing, we've added 3 additional resources to closing in the last 30 days, to continue to provide quick turn times in closing and hopefully even speed up where possible. One of the other initiatives that we launched early last month that we're expanding is for highly qualified processors that deliver consistent quality to us around underwriting touches, documentation, QC review, et cetera. We're actually allowing initial closing disclosures to start to be done at the branch level. So for some of you, you're already experiencing that to help with turn times, and for the ones that it's not being done at your branch, you're going to see relief in our turn time as well, because we are offloading some of that initial CD work, and we'll continue to expand that to the processors that really do high quality work and are low risk to us. The other thing that I want to just talk about real quick, you guys have seen a series of reports that you've started to get. For the branch managers, you're getting full report books now of aged conditional approval and lock expirations, and then for the loan officers on the call, you're starting to get reports of your lock confirmations from our new business intelligence platform. So one of our initiatives that we've talked about this year and that we're going to continue to expand is the sharing of data and improving that data to improve efficiency and quality coming in. That's a big initiative for us. We want to make sure that we're measuring quality because that quality impacts our service level to you and your experience with us. And so you'll start to see more and more of that in the form first of e-delivered reports, and then eventually later in the year in the form of a dashboard that you can log into. But I just wanted to cover it real quick, and if you guys have any feedback about what data you want to see or what might be beneficial to you, or anything that you have questions on, just please reach out to me. It's meant to be interactive, and the engagement in the data is going to be very important because that's how we're going to be, that's how we're going to be measuring all of you. So, with that being said, I'm going to turn it back over to Dan.
Yeah, guys. So I'm extremely grateful and thankful, and finally able to roll out the President's Club. So the President's Club would have 3 different levels for loan officers to participate, and basically we're going to have a gold status, platinum status, and a diamond status, which would carry certain titles such as the assistant vice president, and first vice president. There will be plenty of perks, and if I don't already answer the phone on the second ring, if you're a member of the President's Club, maybe answering the phone on the first ring. With all seriousness, I think this is a great program, a great thing for us to introduce, and I look forward to answering some of your questions, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the near future at one of the president's retreats down the line. So with that said, Eric Mitchell will take it from here.
Hey guys, thanks Dan, thanks AJ. Just so everybody on this call, also so you're aware, we're going to send you a copy of the President's Club criteria and rewards. So you'll watch your email for a copy of that. We're also going to go through some information about our marketing department, kind of a recap. And so this PowerPoint presentation, we're also going to be sending this out to you as well. You're welcome to take notes, but all of the details in this entire presentation will be sent out to everybody that's on the call as well. So with that said, want to just remind everybody about our internal marketing portal. You can go to goldstarfinancial.com/marketing, and there's a link to the portal where samples of business cards, business card order forms, pop-up banners, flyers, any inquiries you need, just shoot an email to marketing@goldstarfinancial.com with any inquiries about that. But just so you know, there is a link now at goldstarfinancial.com/marketing to get to all of this, to make it easier for you. Name badges. If you want to order name badges, there's with bling, without bling. And here's the cost. Again, if you want to order name badges, just shoot an email to marketing@goldstarfinancial.com, and we'll take care of all that for you as well. Sales Training Series. For those of you that are not aware, we have a corporate account with Sales Training Series. Branch managers, feel free to shoot an email to marketing@goldstarfinancial.com to get user ID and password if you don't already have one. There are hundreds of training videos from the best industry trainers that exist. You can use these to go get business from real estate offices to become their sales trainers. I don't know of any real estate broker owner that I've ever met that would say no to free Mike Ferry training for their realtors every week. So it's an amazing resource that all of our loan officers company-wide can use. Please log in, look at the videos, use them. It's an amazing resource. Any questions, please reach out to our marketing department. We'd love to walk you through how all of these videos work for you. Mortgage Returns, our CRM platform. Just a reminder, if you don't have an account for whatever reason, it's a free resource to all of our loan officers. It's fully integrated into Encompass. We'll upload your databases for you. We can give you database training. Whatever you need, you can reach out directly to Mortgage Returns. Our reps' contact information is on the screen, Natalie Stevenson, or again, reach out to our marketing department. Whatever we can to help you guys build your databases, we are committed to making sure that we help you do that. List Reports, a reminder that we've got a strategic partnership with List Reports, and I was talking to the partners at List Reports. We are the only company in the country that has the relationship that we have with them where our loan officers are able to come in one at a time. Every other agreement they have is an enterprise agreement, so it's a great vehicle for us to be able to use for our loan officers where you can go to them independently and sign up your own personal accounts and customize it. It's a great tool for getting realtors to do business with you. All they have to do is text any address in the United States, and it pings back within 2-3 minutes, a hyperlink with all of their listing sites and open house flyers and everything done for them. So if you get a chance to go to this website, goldstar.listreports.com/resources, there's a couple of videos that explain how it works. Highly encourage you to take a few minutes and take a look at those videos. MonitorBase. This is our partner and it's voluntary, but you can have your databases monitored against the credit bureaus. So anybody in your database that has a mortgage credit pull, you're notified. Anybody in your database that just went 2 years on a bankruptcy or 3 years on a foreclosure, you're notified. Anybody in your database that just went from a 580 FICO to a 680 FICO, you're notified. It's absolutely brilliant, and highly recommend you reach out to our rep, William, at MonitorBase to learn more about it. By the way, we're going to be doing upcoming seminars, moving forward. So we're going to do deep dives on all of these companies. So watch your email for upcoming webinars so we're going to do a much deeper dive with a lot of these companies moving forward. WebMax, excited to share with you. We're going to be rolling out very soon a new integrated website platform for our loan officers. So you can have lead capture and consumer interaction on your websites. This is incredible. You can have realtor websites with IDX search capabilities. You can have affinity websites, so employer websites for mortgages. It's just incredible what this is going to be able to do for us. I'm very excited that you'll be seeing a webinar coming up here at the end of June where we're going to be rolling this out to you. So make sure if you have questions that you reach out to us, or you can reach out to our rep directly, Kelsey Brown. Mortgage Coach. We've negotiated a corporate discount with Mortgage Coach. One of our branch managers, Gene Augustin, in Rockland, California, uses it and swears by it. His testimonial, Mortgage Coach, and their total cost analysis is a game changer. I'm truly an advisor for my clients now and no longer just a loan officer. It's an amazing presentation tool to drive more referrals from your realtors and your clients. Highly encourage you to take a look at that as well. MBS Highway, very exciting that you guys, everybody on this call gets a free 60-day trial. This is free, absolutely no credit card, no nothing, just free. Daily market updates, real-time bond quotes and alerts, powerful and unique calculators, 90-day ultimate post pre-qual marketing kit that they've just rolled out, current real estate data, insightful presentation, social share, mobile web app, and a weekly newsletter, all for free, and it's through Barry Habib, and here's the website at the bottom left, mbshighway.com/T/Goldstar. You can sign up absolutely free, no credit card, and for 60 days they're just going to give you free access to the entire thing. And so you'll be able to experience it. And so very grateful that he gave that to us for 60 days for everybody to just try out. So again, you'll get this presentation, but if you want to write this website down, mbshighway.com/T/Goldstar, and you can register there free of charge. Zenix, our partner in coaching. We've got several branch managers in their coaching platform, but it's not just for branch managers. They also do loan officer training, new originator training. If you know anybody who wants to get into the mortgage industry, they've got a 9-week boot camp training for new loan officers. They've got the Edge training for existing loan officers who want to take their business to the next level with realtors. So highly encourage you to reach out to our rep at Sarah and learn more about how they're able to help you take your business to the next level. And keep in mind that there are, if you qualify for the President's Club, there's going to be coaching subsidies moving forward as well. So that'll help you with and we're going to have more than just Zenix. There'll be several approved coaching platforms for you guys to use. Some Zenix testimonials. Chris in Southfield, Michigan. Zenix has been a very positive experience for me. They gave me the tools I needed to make myself and those around me more productive. Zenix helped me identify the areas I needed to focus on, improve our business, strengthen our relationships, and be the best that we can be. And Gene over in Rockland, Gene, you're just crushing it, man. You're involved in everything. But it's, you know, I'm certainly a big fan of Casey Cunningham and Zenix and their trainings, and they're doing a great job. Call capture technology. We've got a enterprise account with callaction.co. You're welcome to set up inside the enterprise account where you can have your own phone number that would forward to your cell phone or to your desk line, landline, whatever you want it to forward to, and it'll, within the second ring, will have 72 data points up on your computer screen, everything from their Facebook page, their LinkedIn profile, their email address, everything, every time somebody calls you. It's an amazing technology. Highly recommend you look into it. You can reach out to Jesse directly and learn more about it, or shoot an email to marketing@goldstarfinancial.com and we can help you as well. CMPS Institute, we've also negotiated a corporate discount for our loan officers at CMPS Institute. They do trainings on mortgage and real estate taxation, housing, financial and mortgage markets, cash flow planning for homeowners and buyers, cash flow planning for real estate investors, ethics, compliance and daily habits. Highly recommend them. Getting your CMPS designation is a great tool for all originators, and want to let you guys know that you can get a corporate discount now through Goldstar, through CMPS Institute. Reach out to Jabron. He's the CEO, founder, and president. You can reach him directly. IntelliSearch. So this is a mobile app that you can now use to look at data for realtors in your market. Currently, there's only 5 states available, but we can roll out more states. You can see that only Arizona, California, Nevada, Texas, and Florida. However, if you're in another state other than those 5 states, we can get them to roll out those states. We just have to roll up our sleeves a little bit. Our marketing department will help you with that. But it identifies top directing agents and offices. It tracks the mortgage company market share on the agent-lender relationships. You can receive daily territory and watch list email alerts for any agent or office. It's an unbelievable tool to track and look at the realtor production in your marketplace. And our rep is Chris Johnson. You can reach out to sales@mymta.com if you have questions directly for Chris. Next Gen Originator. So this is, I'm going to go forward one slide. So this is a company that handles trainings and tools so you can target millennials, realtors, insurance agents, consumer direct, and Facebook. Specific strategies and tools to be able to go after those 5 specific demographics and partnerships. They have video content, email campaigns, training modules to train you on how to go after those specific groups. If you get a chance to reach out to the rep, highly recommend it. Sherry Booth, here's her contact information, sherry@pathtobuy.com. We also have a corporate discount for all of our loan officers with Path to Buy as well. And I apologize if I'm overwhelming everybody. I don't mean to overwhelm you with a ton of information. The purpose of today's call is to give you an overview. We're going to start doing deep dives moving forward. I just want to get you excited about all the different opportunities available if you engage with our marketing department. Rate Plug. Here's the states that Rate Plug is available in. Again, if you're in a state that's not listed, we can get Rate Plug to go into that state. We just have to roll up our sleeves a little bit. But this is a mechanism where every time your realtor has a listing that goes on your multiple listing service, your information would auto-populate as the preferred lender. It's a great tool. Not that you should apply everything. We certainly don't want to say you should do all of these things. Pick the one that resonates with you the most and become a master at it. And then work on to the next. But Rate Plug is another great option to create long-lasting relationships with your realtor partners. Realtor events. We've already put on several for our branches, and they've gone really well. I think we're averaging about 200 realtors per realtor event. If you guys want to know what it means to put on a realtor event in your marketplace, please reach out to marketing, and we can talk about bringing in Haas Pratt or Kinder Reese, Craig Proctor, some big names that we can do events for our branches to drive those realtor partnerships with some pretty big names. If you want to talk to some of the branch managers that have already put on these events, we can get you a list, and you're welcome to reach out to those branch managers. But it's really meant to drive deep relationships through creating value. And obviously Dan Milstein always is driving the adoption of the realtors to engage with our loan officers. So he's an amazing asset at those events as well. And then, Dan, are you still on the call? Did you want to talk about next week in Las Vegas?
Well, we have a big party coming up next week. It's our annual Gold Star event. We're going to have quite a few loan officers and quite a few realtor partners coming through our suite, and basically we're spreading the news about Gold Star. And if there are any loan officers or any of your realtors, any of your referral partners happen to be in Las Vegas next week, please reach out to us. We'll invite them to our event as well.
Yeah, and if you guys want to know how to get invitations or registrations for the event, again, just shoot an email to marketing@goldstarfinancial.com. We'll take care of that for you. And that's it, guys. Sure appreciate everybody's attendance. Dan, AJ, is there anything else you guys want to cover?
I think we're good. Just wanted to thank each and every one of you. I mean, overall, our business is considerably up from a year ago. So I wanted to personally thank you for your hard work. I know it's not easy being a loan officer, and we're just rest assured we're doing anything and everything we can to make life easier. If there are any suggestions, anything we can do, please reach out to us and let us know what your issues and concerns are. Certainly we're over the tread thing. Like AJ mentioned, we're rolling out to better processors to start working on your CDs. We're going to implement some other steps to automatically start ordering CDs even without you actually requesting. And so there are a lot of cool things that we're working on that are being beta tested right now, and things that will be coming to you on your branches in the very near future. But do reach out, do speak up, and if anything is bothering you, if there are ways for us to improve what we do, we want to hear from you. So please reach out. With that, thank you very much. If any of you have any questions, you'll have my cell phone. Text me, call me. I'll be more than happy to discuss, and I look forward to seeing each and every one of you in the very near future across the country. Thank you. Have a good evening.